How to check OKX UID. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see the UID. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dots icon. Simply tap on this dots. So this is the profile section that you have. So on the top, you'll be able to see your profile name and all the details about your profile. So if you slowly scroll down here, you'll be able to see different options of your name and every identification that you have. So here on the bottom we can see the UID too. So this is the UID, user ID of this application. You can even copy it by just tapping on it. So this is the user ID used for trading and can be verified in other places too. So you can even share it with your friends and other people while trading. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.